Hello everyone, my name is Sani Kulandari. Today, I will present an article called Readability and Understandability of Notes to Financial Statement. I will talk about 5 points. Introduction, theoretical background, method, result, and conclusion. Let me start with the introduction. This study talks about financial statement notes. These are important documents that companies give to investors. The researchers want to answer one big question. If we make financial notes easier to read, will people understand them better?
Now, there are 2 words we need to understand. The first one is readability. Readability means how easy does the text look? Short word, short sentence. That is readability. The second one is understandability. Understandability means, does the reader thoroughly get the meaning? These two things are not the same. A text can look simple, but still be hard to understand. Now, let's talk about the theoretical background. Researchers use a tool called the Flash Readability Index to measure how easy a text is. This formula looks at 2 things: how long are the words and how long are the sentences. If the words are short and the sentences are short, the text gets a high score. That means it is considered easy to read. But here is the problem with this formula. It only looks at the surface of the text. It does not check if the text actually makes sense. For example, if you write a sentence completely backward, it still gets the same readability score. But of course nobody can understand it. So, readability alone is not enough.
So what really affects understanding? According to previous studies, it depends a lot on the readers. Things like their education level, their experience in accounting, and their general reading ability. These things matters more than how the text is written. Now, let's talk about the method. How the study was done. The researchers did an experiment. They asked 111 students from accounting and business programs in Brazil to join. These students were put into 4 groups. Each group received the same financial notes, but written in a different way. Some group got short word and short sentence. Some groups got long word and long sentence.
The experiment had 2 rounds. In round 1, they read the notes and answer questions. No help, no glossary. In round 2, they got a glossary of accounting terms. Then they answer the same question again. This helped the researchers compare, does the glossary actually help people understand better? Now the result, and this is the surprising part. The researchers found that making the text easier to read did not make people understand it better. All 4 groups had similar scores. Even the group with the hardest text scored about the same as the group with the easiest text.
So, what did make a difference? It was the reader, not the text. Participants who were good readers understood the notes better. Their education level and their type of school also made a big difference. This means the person reading matters more than how the text is written.
What about the glossary? The glossary did help, but only for some people. For people who had little knowledge of accounting, the glossary helped them understand better. But for people who already know accounting well, they didn't even use the glossary. It was not useful for them.
Finally, the conclusion. This study gives us 3 important messages. First, making text easier to read is not enough. It does not guarantee understanding. Second, the reader's background matters more. Their education, experience, and reading skill are more important than the text itself. Third, a glossary can help, but only if it contains words the reader doesn't know yet.
So, what does this mean for everyone? For companies, only add a glossary with words that are thoroughly technical and specific. Don't add words people already know. For researchers, we need better tools to measure understanding, not just readability. And for investor, you have the right to ask for financial information that is thoroughly easy to understand.
That is the end of my presentation. The main messages from this article is simple. Making text easier to read does not automatically make it easier to understand. What matters most is the reader themselves. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful.